There is a question which is often asked in physics of class ninth, that why the value of gravitation is more at pole than at the equator. So now let us see the shape of the earth is not perfectly a sphere, but it is little bit flat at the equator, and this is due to the rotation of the earth. Now the radius at the equator, now let us keep an object at the equator, on the equator. Now the gravitation will act horizontally towards the center. The gravitation for this object will act horizontally towards the center. And now let us keep an object at the pole. So the gravitation will act vertically downwards towards the center. So the radius at the equator will, let us say, OQ is equal to RE, and let the radius at the pole be OP is equal to RP, suppose. Now we know that G is equal to gravity is equal to capital G into capital capital M E upon R square. Now G is the gravitational constant, M is the mass of the earth, and R square is the radius of the earth. Now gravity at the equator, let it be G, is equal to GME upon RE square, and gravity at the pole will be GME upon RP square. Now taking ratio, G by GP will be on simplification RP square upon RE square. Now radius at the equator is more than radius at the pole. So the value of this RP square upon RE square will be less than 1. Therefore, the value of gravity at the equator and gravity at the pole, this ratio will also be less than 1. Therefore, gravity at the pole, radius at the equator is greater than radius of the pole. So gravity at the pole will be greater than gravity at the equator. Therefore, gravitation will more at pole than equator.